Welcome guys, if you wanna change lock method on your MyPhone Fun 8, let's open the settings, scroll down and click on the security and location, tap on the screen lock. Currently I set up the swipe and we can change it for the pin, and we have to input our screen lock pin, so mine will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, click on the next and now just re-enter the same pin. Click on the OK, click on the done, and right now when we are going to lock our device and try to unlock, we have to input our code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.